How did you manage to do that, IKEA? The package has this cool pattern which looks like wood. Okay, let's get to the interesting part, to the most interesting part. I put the manual on the description of this video. It also comes with those to put on its base, not to scratch it. And this is how you put in the clock. You clip it in, as I see here, and you put the batteries on the behind. Let's get the actual mechanism out. Here is the slot where this attaches to the clock. Look how beautiful it is. It's not plastic, it's plaster actually. Let me put these protective stickers. So this is where I recommend you to put the protective stickers. That was the vid, guys. If you liked it, make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button as well to help me grow faster. Let me know what you think of this in the comments down below. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one.